They paid 9.8 billion naira for PH Road, but nothing was done. In 2025, I paid 36.5 billion naira and they are making noise. Otti speaks. My dear listeners, of course, good day from wherever you're listening from. Here is another interesting news you love to listen to. Here is the governor of Abia State, Alex Otti, says they paid 9.8 billion naira for Port Harcourt Road, but nothing was done. But in 2025, he paid 36.5 billion naira, and they are making noise. What does that mean? Moving down to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel, and share. Governor Alex Otti of Abia State has sharply criticized the administration of former Governor Okezi Ikpeazu over the failed Port Harcourt Road project in Aba, alleging that $29 million was squandered without tangible results. Speaking during the inspection of ongoing construction work on the same road, Otti said that in 2017, the Ikpeazu-led government awarded the Port Harcourt Road contract for 9.8 billion naira and fully disbursed the amount. However, no significant progress was made on the project. So listen to this response. In 2017, they awarded this Port Harcourt Road. The amount at the time was 9.8 billion naira, and they paid out the entire money, but the road was not done, Otti told reporters. He further broke down the value of the money at the time, explaining that the average exchange rate in 2017 was about 333 naira to the dollar. Now, if you apply that, the 9.8 billion naira was actually USD 29 million equivalent, he said. Governor Otti also addressed criticisms over the current cost of the road reconstruction under his administration, which now stands at 36.5 billion naira. He stated that while some detractors have raised concerns about the cost, they fail to understand the economic realities and currency devaluation since 2017. In 2025, the road cost 36.5 billion naira and they started making noise. So I said, since you people understand mathematics, Otti remarked sarcastically. The Port Harcourt Road has long been a vital but deteriorating infrastructure link in Aba. Otti assured residents that his administration remains committed to completing the road project with transparency and quality delivery. My dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news, and now before I go, moving down to the comment section. The first comment here says, Mr. Ikpeazu, you better stop these your foolish naked dances publicly, talking down on Abia government. H.E. Dr. Alex Otti, if you don't let God plus nature assign Mr. Kama an entire household to you with strange Ijufeshere. Another comment here that I have here says, Otti is just lenient to Ikpeazu. He should not take his good art for granted. Another comment here says, our God sent Governor H.E. Dr. Alex Otti. Ride on, don't mind those fraudulent and criminal politicians and political office holders in Abia that looted Abia State dry. They will all pay for it with your generation. Another commenter says Governor Otti should go on and not minding all these old public treasury vulture and scavengers. Otti is God sent. And the last comment here says, Ikpeazu should bury his head in shame. He destroyed PDPL in Abia State. He should commend Otti for the work he's doing. Ikpeazu's political liability. My dear listeners, now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.